Hey, AP World, don't have a whole lot for you as far as the video this week, but just wanted to go through expectations and what's due. I'm out of the basement that I usually record these in. And so if you're watching this Monday, you have a review worksheet over trade routes due. Tuesday, the DBQ on the views of Muslims and Christians of merchants. That's the DBQ that we're going to talk about, or we had talked about in the chat last week. I'm actually getting ready to have that chat with you in about 15 minutes. Due Wednesday is the review sheet over the Mongols, and then Thursday is the environmental and cultural consequences of trade routes. DBQ this week is a 5-doc DBQ on the Mongols, analyze the degree to which the Mongol Empire affected societies of Afro-Eurasia in the 13th and 14th centuries. DBQ, at least for right now, those are always going to be due on Tuesdays, and then we'll talk about the DBQs and the chats for the week. If I forget to say in the chat, if you can, type the DBQs. It's a lot easier for me to grade them if they're typed. That's all I've got for you. Let me know how the AP Live videos are. You can always watch them live. I think they're like 5:30 at night. If you would rather do that, just take notes over them and get those notes to me. Might require you to do a little bit less if you watch them live, but I know you guys have other things going on too. So that's all I've got. Again, any questions, any worries about the test, please communicate directly to me, and I'll talk to you in a little bit.